Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to right click on the Google Chrome on the desktop and select open file location. Right click on the chrome.exe and select show more options. Select send to and select desktop create shortcut. And now just to close stuff here. Now you just need to delete the old Google Chrome on the desktop and right click on the chrome.exe shortcut and select rename. You just need to backspace everything except Chrome and press enter. Now you can open this Chrome and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to right click on the Chrome and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can open the Chrome and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type task manager, click on open it. In task manager you just need to search for Google. If anything is running in the background, just right click on it and select end task. Just right click on it and end task. After closing all Google processes, just need to close stuff here, go to search menu and type run, click on open it. Now check my video description for this text used in my video. Just to copy and paste it in the run command and click on OK. In here you just need to right click on the default and press in keyboard shift key and select the delete option and delete this folder. After deleting this folder, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.